National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northern Marshall County, Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern. At 4:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Lakeville and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I'm doing something!
Sighting entries. The severe thunderstorm will be near Freeman around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko and Marshall.